Looking for a WordPress table of contents plugin to help make longer articles easier to navigate and read? Well, adding a table of contents to those long articles is a great way to keep your visitors engaged and on your site and boost your SEO. So let's take a look at the best table of contents plugins for WordPress. I'll leave links in the description to each of them. When Google and other search engine bots crawl your content, they go in a specific order. They look at the most important bits of content first, including your title, meta title and description, article headings, and links. By using a table of contents plugin, you're providing both keyword-rich headings and links. It's going to help Google understand your content better. Now let's dive into the list of the best table of contents plugins for WordPress. All-in-one-SEO is the best SEO plugin for WordPress, and one of its great features is a table of contents block. With the All-in-one-SEO plugin installed on your site, you can optimize every post and page, easily create a sitemap, set up schema, and a whole lot more. The All-in-one-SEO table of contents block stands out from the rest because it automatically generates a list of your post headings in an outline format, and it allows you to edit them. This is really helpful if you'd like to shorten the headings, maybe change the anchors, and reorder the headings as well. With All-in-one-SEO, you get a customizable table of contents block, an optimized facts block, smart schema markup, true SEO score for each post and page, a sitemap generator, and a lot more. You can get the table of contents block for free and then upgrade when you need more features. Easy Table of Contents is a free WordPress plugin. It's easy to use, and it's a good choice if you don't need a lot of extra features. With Easy Table of Contents, you can customize your colors, change the borders, the background, and the link color. Plus, it automatically creates a table of contents based on your content's headings. It works with both Gutenberg blocks and the classic editor. Easy Table of Contents allows you to choose from multiple bullet formats. You can choose which headings are used to generate the table, and it includes a widget that can be placed in the sidebar. LuckyWP Table of Contents is another free table of contents plugin for WordPress. Like most of the others on our list, it's very basic and easy to use, but has a few more features. LuckyWP creates a customizable SEO-friendly table of contents blocks that work on posts and pages and custom post types. Plus, it automatically creates a table of contents that you can insert with a shortcode, a Gutenberg block, or a widget. It works with a classic editor as well. You can skip headings by level or text, and you can customize the table of contents with title font size and weight, and more. Plus, you can also create hash URLs. Heroic Table of Contents is another free WordPress table of contents plugin. With Heroic Table of Contents, you can hide and rename headings without altering the contents of your page or post, and the Heroic Table of Contents plugin works with Gutenberg block editor. It has 4 built-in styles. Your readers can expand or collapse the table of contents, and you can choose which headings to display and choose between bulleted, numbered, or plain lists, plus it's mobile-friendly. SimpleTOC is yet another free table of contents plugin for WordPress. This one's a basic Gutenberg block, so if you just want to insert a table of contents without configuring it at all, this plugin might be for you. There's no configuration, just add the block to your page or post, and it will automatically inherit the style of your theme. You can choose between an ordered list and bulleted points. There's no JavaScript or CSS added to your site, and there's minimal HTML output. Ultimate Blocks is a free plugin that includes a whole list of Gutenberg blocks in addition to a table of contents, so if you're looking to add more blocks to your site, Ultimate Blocks might be a good choice. Besides the table of contents block, Ultimate Blocks also includes tab content, star ratings, social sharing, testimonials, click-to-tweet, countdown, progress bar, and more. And with the Ultimate Blocks, you can choose which headings that you want to include. The list can be split into 2 or 3 columns, and you can choose from bulleted, numbered, or plain. Our choice for the best table of contents plugin for WordPress is All-in-one-SEO. It has so many added benefits beyond just a table of contents block. Or if it's just a table of contents you need without SEO help, LuckyWP Table of Contents is well loved by all of its users and can make a great table of contents for you. To really keep an eye on your site's traffic, it's important to have Google Analytics set up properly on your site. To learn the best and easiest way to set it up, be sure to check out our article on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress the right way. And there you have it, our pick of the 6 best table of contents plugins for WordPress. With Monster Insights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using Monster Insights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.